Hey guys, thank you for joining me and welcome back. So today in this video, I'm going to create a Christmas ornament. I'm going to be using a silver window decal to help create a beautiful holiday image. The technique I'm using today is going to be similar to decoupage, but it's not decoupage. And I'm just showing you all the different glitter images. So I'm going to select a image. And again, this is a window decal. It doesn't have any glue attached to it. I'm going to apply the glue to that. So along with that, I'm going to be using one clear bulb from the Dollar Tree, as well as some ribbon. I'm not using that ribbon, guys. I'll be using some white paint, and I'll be using these ornament fillers today. And I got that from the Dollar Tree. I'll be using my clear gel tacky glue, my paintbrush, and my hot glue gun. So I'm going to start with cleaning off the bulb. So I'm going to decide which image I'm going to use, which one fits on the bulb the best. So I'm going to be using this one right here, and I'm just going to lift it up with a pair of tweezers, or you can use your fingers, your nails to lift it up. And so I'm just trying it out for size. So I really do like this one. So what I'm going to do now is take my scissors and just snip into the design a little bit without cutting it. This is going to help it lay very flat onto the bulb. So one side of the decal is very bright and glittery, and the other side is sort of matte. So what I'm going to do is apply a little bit of my adhesive to the shiny part of the decal. This is the part of the decal that's going to show through the ornament. Once I get it covered, I'm just going to lay it into place. After that, I'm just going to go back and apply a little more adhesive to the very tips of the snowflake. Once I do that, I'm going to let that dry for about 10 minutes. So now I'm going to put this rubber band around the center of the bulb. I'm going to use a rubber band to divide the bulb in half. So now it's time to use some white paint, and we're going to paint the part of the bulb where the silver snowflake is. So we're going to just cover that with the paint. I'm just going to sponge the paint on just as you see me doing it. I'm not going to brush it. It's very easy just to sponge the paint on once you have your image in place. I'm going to paint it once. I'm going to allow it to dry for about an hour, and then I'm going to come back in and paint it once more. So as you can see, that looks really cute. It looks so nice already. So now that it's dry, I'm going to use a little bit of the Mod Podge sealer. This is the thick sealer. I just wanted you to see what that looks like. It looks really pretty. So I'm going to use the Mod Podge. This is the super thick gloss. And I'm going to just apply a very thin coating over top of the white paint. So this gloss is also going to act as a adhesive. So while it's still sticky, I'm going to just shake a little bit of the iridescent glitter on top. And then I'm going to use my small silicone tool just to pat it down into place. Now that it's dry, I'm going to remove the rubber band very gently. You have to peel it away from the bulb, and then I'm going to remove it. So guys, this is what that looks like, and everything is dry. So now it's time to add some more decoration. I'm going to add some ribbon around the perimeter of the bulb, and I'm going to apply it to the cap as well. Now I'm going to take a single roll of silver diamond wrap, and then I'm going to apply it to the center of the ribbon. This came out so beautiful. So very quickly, I'm just going to create a very simple bow for the cap of our ornament. I'm going to use a little bit of hot glue just to hold that bow into place. Now I'm going to add these small plastic snowflakes as decoration. I picked these up from the Dollar Tree. Alright guys, so that's it. This is our beautiful ornament. This came out absolutely beautiful, and no one would ever guess that that silver snowflake has been adhered to the back of the bulb and not the inside. So let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. Please don't forget to thumbs up this video, and please don't forget to subscribe. And I want to thank you so much for watching today. I do appreciate it. And you stay well, stay safe, and stay blessed, and I will see you at the next video. Bye-bye.